Hello friends, how are you? Vladimir here, and this is the daily forecast for 10th of March 2015. The moves started very early today on all the majors through the Asian session, and we saw very high activity everywhere, especially the majors. Euro, pound, all of them made very serious moves. New Zealandian, Australian created new bottoms after the small corrections we've been talking about yesterday. You remember we said we should get some kind of correction, get closer to the trend lines, right? If it's the euro that created the small double waves before dropping, they all did some kind of move and then continuation. The biggest question is now what's next. The way it seems, there is not going to be any change very soon. Especially if we look on the Pacifics, they still say there is more to go. There will be corrections on the short term, but every rallies and double waves or triple waves, we should be looking to sell. As simple as it sounds. Now here are the things I would be looking to deal with. Dollar Canadian. I think this pair is aiming high, very high from here. I think we are about to get 129, 130, but I do also think this is about to end here. The way I see that, starting from current levels up to 127 or something like that, we are about to top. We are about to complete this two waves probably. This divergence will take effect, and from there I start to think we are going to double move correction back to 125.80 or so, maybe even a bit lower, and after that I will definitely want to rebuy, because the way it looks on a daily chart and a weekly chart, there is much more to come, especially while we will remain above the daily 20 MA. So I'm very bullish on the mid-long term, actually mid-term, not long. On a short term, maybe starting from later today, I think we are going down, and around this place I think we should be looking for sell opportunities. How? Dropping down to lower time frames and look when the divergence there start to create itself and complete itself. When it does, it's sell. That's the first one. Next one on the list is dollar yen, also very interesting pair. That's what it does on the 1 hour chart, falls breaking above this trend line connecting tops. There is a divergence, so basically while we remain above this high, the pressure is on short term is bearish. If we get above it and break it, then we're very likely be looking to go to 123, 124, which where from we will be looking to go for a very deep sell. There is another thing to pay attention to, and that's the fact that this wave is duplicated right here. So again, more pressure now on a bearish side, while we remain below the last high. If it is broken, then we are going for new highs, and it's a different story. We will have to update and wait for the next setups. The next one on the list is Euro Pound. You probably remember how many times I've been talking about this pair. Get ready for a massive buy. So now I'm screaming. I'm not saying get ready. I'm screaming. Get ready if you're still not. This area is going to be massive. Below 071, it could start any moment. It could be 078, it could be 07050, 07040. Psychological 070, all of that would be acceptable. We are about to hit hard from there. Bollinger Band duplication, all kind of divergences, extremes on weekly and daily, massive continuing divergence forming, and of course the bank zone from the monthly chart. Get ready to buy soon. Now, as investment is my ideal, and for such setups, of course we can always look for a first wave taking place, then join the pullbacks for conservative entry without investing. So it's up to you how to join, but it is definitely screaming these levels we want to see are coming, and coming seriously. Next one on the list is the New Zealand dollar. As I said, I believe we are going for a sell, deep sell. There is nothing preventing it from continuing right now. The way it looks right now, we should get somewhere from this place, double move, and we are about to get we want to get continuation down. We are looking here on 3 waves, so basically what we need right now is 1, 2, 3, 4. From here we are going to go for a sell once again. Do you want to be involved with short-term buys? That's a possibility, and of course it's, something we can do. Get above a trend line, get the first wave. Okay, don't try to find the first wave, get the first wave, get the correction in double wave on lower time frame, and then you can buy versus this high. So basically, boom above the trend line. Okay, a wave above the trend line. Best if you get higher highs. Then on lower time frame, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then buy versus this low, aiming to complete this time frame 1, 2, 3, 4 to the upside. That's a possibility also to do, and it looks good and might pay also very well. Pound yen is also very hot on my point of view. It did very nice job from bend to bend right here, making for the first time kind of convergence. Not ideal, of course. The way I see that, we should get a double wave correction here. We probably are in the first one, so after this one we should get one more, and from here very likely we are going for a buy, aiming above 184 this time. So that's something to pay attention to as well. That should be very good setup. And a bit about indices. I remain short in the indices for the short term. I think there is more to come from there, at least to the opposite band, if it's Nasdaq or if it's S&P or if it's Dow, as we can see on the chart. Here is the S&P, of course. It's already there, so we might still see more coming. I am bearish here. As for now, I don't see any reason to switch, to change. Basically, remain only bearish in this place. Now, I've been asked about the Euro Aussie. What's my point of view here? I think we have more to go down. From my point of view, sell rallies is the best thing to do. This kind of rally, if we get a break, it's a sell. If we get a deeper cycle from which will be built from first wave here, correction, and one more wave up, then a sell from there. Wherever we get the sell and the breaks, it's our time to jump in, and there is more to come. There is more to drop. From my point of view, we are going to kind of double wave here and a trend line from the bottoms, and that means there are several hundred points waiting for us to the downside that could be taken still. So basically that's all for today. More to come, of course, tomorrow. Pay close attention. The market is moving and it's probably about to provide some nice opportunities, so stay tuned for any updates. That's all. Bye for now, and enjoy your day. Good trading. Yours, Vladimir.